Good day. Welcome sa Transfer It Riverbanks Marketplace. Total marketplace listing is possible. Total active is 235. Estimated inquiry per day is 6. This week, inquiry converted to sale is 10,610 with 8 transaction. Ang top 3 listing ko ay PVC pan with 8 inquiry received, 4 total transaction na may 16,670 total amount. Notebook with pen with 4 inquiry received, 2 total transaction na may 97,500 total amount. Bomber jacket with 4 inquiry received, 1 total transaction na may 20,210 total amount. Listing need to revise ko ay direct embroidery borda, group, store, shop, company logo, customized, corporate uniform, gifts giveaway ay papalitan ko ng free layout and mock-up, hindi na po next day delivery. Na-post ko na listing this week ay 11 at wala na pong kulang sa listing ko.